Okay, birds, is that how you do me for feeding you all the time? That's disgusting. I got my energy drink and my coffee and my old Ozark Trail mug. They don't make these anymore. They make the extra big ones. I wish they would bring those small ones back. See if I can fix this. I have very limited space right here. So this is part 2 of my first survival kits that I bought off at Amazon. And now we're gonna open up the bigger one. I don't remember what I paid for these, like 30 to 40 or more dollars each. This one must have cost more. It has a case. The birds left me a present on it while I was in the house. Okay, so this one is bigger. Opens up the same way. Let's see what's in this one. Let's see if we have all of our 10Cs in there. Oh, look at that. An all-weather notebook. This is like a Write in the Rain book. Should be waterproof. That one's really nice. And it's camouflage. Okay, so there we got something to write on. Is that on our list of 10Cs? It should be. Okay, we got a different type of spork here. So we got a spoon with a bottle opener, a fork with a can opener, spork here, and a knife, and hopefully you can see it better against this white background. Last time I think I used that for a black background. It wasn't too good. Okay. One of these wrench tools. I don't know how good they are. So that's number 1. I thought that was a flask, but it's another emergency survival blanket. So that's your cover, your shelter or cover. Oh yeah, then we got, what is this? A combination. No, that's not a combination. It's one of these cords. You just you know, slide out as much as you want to burn. Fray it, catch it on fire, and when you're done, you know, push it back in. And okay, and then we've got our bracelet again. This is like a multi-tool bracelet. So we got our fire starter right here. Tiny one, ferro rod. Whistle, compass seems to work. We've got our cordage, so that covers cordage and our compass and combustion device, along with this is our cotton material, I'll call it. So okay, and then we got the same pen. It has a window glass breaking point on the end, sharp, and I don't see any other tools on it. If there is, I'll have to show you the other one I have. So yeah, now we can write a message to somebody, leave a note asking for help or whatever, if we're lost or stranded. And we've got the same knife. No, this one is not serrated. closes the same, push down. Yeah. Okay, see how to. Okay. There we go. Put that over here. There's silverware. What do we have here? Here we go. Here's the same ferrule rod we had. Use this to start a fire. There you go. Use that along with this. Start a fire. This looks like a little multi-tool, a tiny one. Really tiny. Got a flashlight on it. I may have bought this just for this tiny little, I like little tools. Okay, so it's got pliers. It's got your little flashlight. Let's see if this flashlight works. Oh, yeah, it works. I can't get it to stay on though. There we go. Flashlight works. This is bright enough to, you know, see a little bit at night. What other tools do we have? Well, I can see a knife. I can't seem to get to it. That's a saw blade. Looks like on this side, yeah, the slot's not lined up with the slots in the knife, so that's not good. I have to cut this open on each side. Yeah, that's a flaw right there. So we got a knife here, and the tiniest Phillips screwdriver, and also flat screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and looks like a little saw, but it's hard to get to. I guess I'll have to use my spork, a spoon or whatever to get to it. Oh, so that's that multi-tool. Comes with a little case, looks like the same case that I had that didn't last with my silverware. It's about as thin and flimsy. I wouldn't expect that to last. So then we got our fire blower, blowing your fire when you to get it, keep the flame going. And another one of these, water bottle holders, but it doesn't have the water bottle. But if you've got a water bottle laying around, you could use it to fill with water and carry this on your belt. And it looks like they gave us a couple of carabiner hooks. Locking type. Don't even know how to open this kind. Oh, okay, they screw up to lock. So there. Now it doesn't open, so screw it this way to open it. There's the threads. Screw it back up to lock. And there we go. We got two of those. A saw, wire saw. There we go. Don't know how great that's going to work. For a little while, maybe. And what's this? An extra cartridge for your pen. Okay. And the same screwdrivers as last time. Phillips, look pretty sturdy. A Phillips and a flathead. Pretty nice. This one we've got a separate metal whistle. There we go. pretty nice. And what's this? The same flashlight. And I don't know what type of battery it uses though. This flashlight kind of feels kind of flimsy. Might work, but I don't have a battery to test it, so I don't know if it just goes on and off or what. And then we've got the same wallet tool, credit card tool they call this, as before, which has a can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, I guess that means bottle cap, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction and auxiliary indication, 2-position wrench, lanyard hole, keyring hole. There you go. Can opener. I don't know if this is the screwdriver or this opens a can and a bottle. There's a little saw blade, knife blade right there, sharp wrench, ruler. I don't know if you can see that. And there you go. And it looks like in this one we have what they call a boo-boo kit. So we got some band-aids. Look like we got 2 different sizes of butterfly bandages, 4 of those. Adhesive wound dressing, 6 centimeter by 7 centimeter, 1 piece. Sterile gauze pad, 2 by 2 inch, 1 piece. Bunch of regular band-aids, 5. We got alcohol pads, 2 of those, and 2 iodine prep pads. So there you have it. Tell me which one you like, which kit, the smaller kit or the larger kit. And that's about it. Take this out of here. Whoop. So that's my second survival kit I bought before I started buying things separately for my bug out bag. So this is Chris Lambert. Don't forget to like and subscribe.